In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. I want to deliver a speech on the topic about Constitution of India, Preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, ushering the dignity and the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give ourselves this Constitution. Jazakallahu khairan jazila. Thank you so much for your time.